LPG gas starts its journey deep underground. Natural gas and crude oil are extracted from reservoirs.
After extraction, the resources travel through pipelines to a refinery where fuel and gases are separated. Inside the refinery, crude oil is heated in a distillation column. Propane and butane gases are purified through filtration and chemical treatment to remove sulfur, water, and other impurities. Propane and butane are then mixed in a controlled ratio to create liquefied petroleum gas, known as LPG. A chemical called ethyl mercaptan is added to give LPG its strong smell, so leaks can be easily detected. The gas is compressed under pressure, turning it into liquid form so it can be stored efficiently. Before filling, every LPG cylinder is inspected carefully to ensure safety and strength. Automatic machines fill liquid LPG into the cylinders while measuring the exact required weight. Finally, the sealed cylinders are transported to distributors and homes, where LPG is used for cooking and heating.